So today I'm going to try and make my own neon effect sign. This is what it says on the back. The possibilities are endless with this super long and flexible neon effect light. Bend and twist the included shaping wire to your desired pattern. Attach the light up string with the fixing wire and turn it on to make your creation glow. There are only 4 diagrams or 4 images to help you along the way, so I'm assuming it should be easy. So let's have a look and see what's inside the box. So this must be the shaping wire. This is obviously the neon wire. This is what you need to attach the neon wire to the shaping wire, and this is the battery pack. And this is the guide with some lovely italic kind of cursive writing here, and then the shaping wire. So it's the same instructions here as there was on the back of the box. So let's think about what to make. I think I want to write my name. So I don't quite fancy doing a flamingo, lightning, a light bulb, a palm tree or a unicorn. On the box they've got the word neon. Julie is only 1 more letter. So let's get to shaping. Stretch it out. Make sure there are no knots. And make sure I don't poke my eye out. Okay, does it look like Julie? Does that look like Julie? Kind of. I might need to shape it a bit better than that. Carefully cut the fixing wire to the approximate lengths of 4 centimeters. Oh, that's this. Have I even got a ruler? No. I now have a ruler, so I'm supposed to cut these to lengths of 4 centimeters. Is that 4 centimeters? Yes. Whoops, so I can now use this as my guide to cut every 4 centimeters. So just keep snipping, snipping. So here are all the 4 centimeter lengths of fixing wire, and I have to use these to attach this to this. Attach the neon effect wire, twist the wire, then trim excess using wire cutters. So I'm starting to attach with the with the fixing wire, twisting. Oh, this is not going well. So I'm almost done fixing this to it. It's not been the easiest of tasks. What age do they put on this? Oh God, I remember I need batteries as well. They don't give you the batteries, do they? No. Thanks. So let's clear the mess away, put it down. Got some batteries now. Good old Amazon Basics. Put these in here. Goodness me. Put the cover on. Oh, and it makes a really high-pitched sound. But that's what they do, and you can think about that sound and then maybe a fly buzzing into it and getting an electric shock. So that's that. I need somewhere dark. What time is it? 7 minutes past 7. When is sunset? I don't know. Where can I find dark? In the loft. Oh, it's got different functions. Look, flashing. Oh. Right, let's find somewhere dark. Into the loft. Gotta get the stairs down. Or shall I say the ladder thing? It'd be a good idea to take it with me when I go up. So, up in the loft. Needs to be dark. So here it is. Not bad, not bad at all. Let's change the functions. So here's the finished neon sign. I think you should get one. Everyone should get one.